Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Today we have a W205 C-Class. I'm going to show you how to get rid of this big, oversized, ugly box and shrink it down to something like this. Let's get into it. So in my hand here, we have our miniature Plinth delete kit. So this basically replaces this box. We've redesigned it so it's a tad smaller. This will suit W205 AMG lines and also the C43. They're all the same except for the C63, and we have a separate product for that, but the method's the same. Take this off, Plinth on, matching bracket, and your plate goes on nice and clean. I'll show you how to get that done. First thing is to take all the screws out that you see. The plate will come off, the Plinth will come off. There's a trick to it, just pull off the tabs behind it one at a time. There is 3. There's also 4 little tabs you've got to squeeze and pull out. Now we're ready to install our miniature Plinth, which is really easy. If you look at the back of it, there's a bit of a knob that fits in that hole, and there's 2 little feet to help you level it out. So it's very easy to install. Just put it in the hole, make sure it's level, mark at the holes, little pilot hole, and 2 screws go in. Now that we have a Plinth on, it's time to select a number plate bracket to suit your number plate style, which attaches to the Plinth. So for example, if you have a Euro plate, you grab yourself a Euro bracket, put it on, this attaches. We're putting on a Victorian 4-character plate, so I've got a 4-character bracket here. This goes on, I can adjust the height, and the plate attaches to that, and we're done. So I've taken the bolts out of the Plinth, which was supplied. I'm just going to line up the bracket with those 4 holes there. 2 is plenty, you can put 4 if you want, but I'm just going to go with 4, because that's what I've got, and then we'll put the plate on. Now, for the final step, because you might be wondering, oh, but what about the leftover holes? Well, thought of that. The kit comes with little clips. They can just disguise the holes. You can paint them if you want, and that completes the install. Just remember, you need to grab the right bracket to suit your number plate style, and the Plinth will suit the car. So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.